How can you use volume formulas to solve real-world problems? The Nature Center has a large bird cage called an aviary. It consists of 2 sections, each shaped like a rectangular prism. There needs to be 10 cubic feet of space for each bird. How many birds can the Nature Center have in the aviary? What plan would help in solving this problem? You can make sense of the problem by breaking it into simpler problems. In what ways can this problem be broken down? The aviary consists of 2 sections, each shaped like a rectangular prism. First, find the volume of each rectangular prism. Use the formula V equals L times W times H. Find the volume of the small section.
Use the diagram to find the length, width, and height of each section.
V equals 4 times 3 times 8 equals 96 cubic feet. Find the volume of the large section. V equals 10 times 6 times 8 equals 480. How can you find the total volume? Add to find the total volume. 96 plus 480 equals 576. The combined volume is 576 cubic feet. If each bird needs 10 cubic feet of space, how can you find how many birds the Nature Center can have in the aviary? Divide to find the number of birds that will fit. 576 divided by 10 equals 57 and 6/10. Can you put 58 birds in the aviary?
Select your answer.
No, 576 cubic feet can only hold 57 birds. You cannot have a part of a bird. The Nature Center can put 57 birds in the aviary. Now you see how you can use volume formulas to solve real-world problems.